3 seconds.
May nadi pa.
Dada, may problema ba kayo dyan?
Start na.
Eh, ba't ninyo ako binakapan dito?
Meron pa.
Okay.
Premium Party Delta.
Wala na, hindi ko na nakuha yung maps. Ang kapal nito. Patay nga si Ace.
Going.
Eh. Wala
Okay,
na,
going
hindi na. Hindi na tayo mag-ano. Delta formation tayo.
Ah.
Ba't walang bumakap sa akin? Busy ba kayo? Makapal ba yung laman nyo? Ba't walang nagsasalita? Putangin ninyo. Wala ba kayong mic?
Clear.
Nasa Delta kami.
Hindi, bakit hindi nyo nga pinakapan? Humingi akong backup. Problema nyo.
Ray Delta, dumapat ka.
Okay, moving tayo.
Tapos
Papasok.
na mabun.
Push tayo. Okay, wala sila. Okay, ready, push. Magde-deploy tayo sa Sanctuary deployment. Dahan-dahan. Ay, walang kwenta. Tara, push natin, farmin natin. Bante lang tayo. Pushing. Ay, push out lang natin. Hanggang hagdan. Tingin sa oras Alerto sa oras. Nice. Push pa
17
natin.
next, no? Tama ba?
Ano na?
17 ang
17
next.
minutes.
Okay.
17
Oh,
yung
yeah.
next. Pushing pa tayo hanggang bilog. Lakad hanggang makita nyo yung bilog sa sahig. Tabihan nyo ako. Masyado kayo malayo, hindi kayo mabante. Tabihan nyo ako.
Sa likod mo na, nasa likod mo.
Nice. Okay, hold natin to.
Nasa
Push
left sila,
natin.
nasa left. Left side sila.
Left side, makapal. Wala
Hindi,
akong nakikita.
Matras na.
Why you fucking lying? Pushing pa tayo. Okay, babackstab natin. Ano ba tong kalaban natin? Osis? Yung mga kids?
Yup.
Osis na kids to, no?
Dalawa ba to?
Ata.
Kids nga ata to.
Eh.
Capital letters yung...
Yung ano eh. Tsaka walang system yata yun. Osis lang. Okay. Balik tayo sa bilog. Makikita niyo yung bilog. Okay, farm lang.
17.
Okay, position tayo. Tapos pagka humingi akong backup, pag wala naman kayong kalaban sa mobs nyo, puntahan nyo ako. Moving ako kanan.
Okay.
Moving ako
Premium
kayo.
Party going, kaliwa. Kampe.
Nice. Thank you.
Moving kanan, dada.
Noise. So hindi ko kailangan ng backup. Bakit
Clear yung left kalaban.
hindi sila pumatol? Nakalimutan nila. Kamusta yung mid natin?
Clear kampe, kaliwa.
Okay,
Mid,
moving ka na
PZ Kick. AFK si PZ Kick. Bakit kay AFK PZ Kick? Cruel, kamusta kayo dyan? Kronos, gitna.
Gaharang.
Boss to, ah.
Walang lumalapit. 5
Okay.
seconds.
5 seconds.
Wala na, Iru.
Ito
Wala na,
na.
Iru.
Coming sila eh. Pero
Sige, nakuha
galing
ko.
dito.
Complete done.
If
Ako
it
namin
down,
yun.
Going mid.
Garm
Going
done.
mid kami. Premium
Kamusta
Party.
isang garm?
Patay namin.
Yung kwento nyo. Okay. So parang wala namang kwenta. Pwede tayo mag-wild ng very light lang.
Mobs sa gitna.
Goodsmith,
Sige,
tapos
tingnan
na,
mo.
Kronos. Sobra na. Pumunta kayo mid, sa daming mobs sa mid. Tayo na rin, Kronos! Shabu pa! Patay niyo yung mga panigi. Tangin na ni Kronos, mental.
Sa ako pala pag ng Sanctuary.
May panigi pa? Okay, naubos yung panigi. Next goal natin. Teka, message ko lang yung
12.
3K up. Ay, mali. 3K up. Message lang natin yung main na meron na tayong 3K up na ginawa. Para aware silang may buff na tayo. Hindi kasi, para aware silang, uy, kumuna tayo, bumilis tayo, parang gano'n. Kasi hindi naman natin alam kung anong nangyayari dyan eh. Though lamang naman ang kanilang galawan. Anong gli?
Going lang mid. Pababa sila.
Coming.
Inulit ni Gli, binulong lang din, puta.
Baba ng sir.
Hindi nakatulong eh. Okay, going mid tayo. Regroup tayo sa mid tapos reverse delta formation. So ibig sabihin yung kabilang hagdan.
Okay.
Abang tayo dito.
reverse
Okay.
delta.
Yeah, reverse delta. Wala namang kalaban. Gusto nyo may nag-i-scout para malaman natin kung nasaan?
Ubus na eh.
Ah,
Wala ba?
sige, mag-wild kayo, hanapin nyo yung makapal. Sige. Di ko kayo ko-command. Ang next naman nating target is si Pronto, patay. AFK ka, Pronto.
Preso ko.
Yeah. So pupunta ako sa gitna doon sa may bilog. Wala naman ako nakikita masyado. Well, meron tao pero doable. Doable kung sino man kami. So ikot lang kayo kung saan yung trip. Ano yung sinabi mo, Daily?
Sako rin.
Bakit English yan? Daily, do you understand Tagalog? Baileys?
Because Christmas.
It's English chat eh. No sir, I asked earlier in Tagalog kung sinong Indo, sabi kong ganun. Hindi ka sumagot. Okay, I will be changing my command into English. 3 weeks from now, I will be harvesting my crops. Imagine where you will be, and it will be so. Hold the line. Stay with me. If you find yourself alone, do not be troubled. Okay, I will adjust for you, Bailey. Just only for you, okay? You should have mentioned it earlier. I was speaking in Tagalog and I'm not aware. I'm so sorry, Baileys. Once I figure out and know that you're lying to me, I'm gonna taking this.
Yun yes.
I will do my research later, Baileys, and
And I
figure
will
out
fuck
if
with
you're
that.
lying. And if so,
Fucking yes.
back to shit. Liar. Okay,
Subukan ng
just
package sa
keep
base.
doing what... Ha?
There's someone getting the box at our base.
Just
Boxes.
kill
Just-
that guy. Kill the tip. Yeah, a tip bug. Okay, I'm not commanding because nothing to do here. It's we cannot farm. We don't know where they are. So do what you want, people. Time check. Next maps will be 12 minutes. Yeah, farm. Keep farming. We're giving morale. We need 2k more to boost the 5k shit. So try not to die 300 more times. They're about to hit the 3000k morale. We don't want that. Try not to die. If you're dying, try to go back. Find help. Don't die. We are farming 500k, 5k morale without dying. Without giving them 3k boost. Okay? Positioning to mobs. Kronos, tell me in advance mid, this is a Bapo. Sino kaya pwedeng iwan ko dito? Kaya mong pumatay ng mobs? Hindi, no?
Hindi po.
We need to group up to the... Yeah. I'm going mid. Kronos is not giving me instruction. Move to mid.
Kailangan mo
It's
ng
good.
Bottom.
Hindi na, 7 seconds na lang. Late na yun. Hold your line na lang yan. Hold the line, people. Going back to my mobs. Kill the Bapo. Nice one, Ace. Ayan pala, iwan na kita.
Ako nga eh. Nagtatanong ako kung kailangan mo dito.
Ay, nasa Subway ka pala eh.
Saboy, kumain ka muna.
Kumain ka muna.
Ay, kumakain.
Subway sandwiches pala. Okay. I will mention 5k up. 5k up.
Ay, Saboy ng
Okay,
train pala.
we will regroup. Daily, we're gonna regroup at middle. Everybody regroup at middle. Scout, let me know if they're ikuting. Yeah. We're going to stairs. It's useless. This is dumb. Just do what you want, people. We need to farm. We need 8k morale. So keep killing without dying. Remember, keep killing without dying. Alexa, what the fucker? Ano yun? What's that? What's Alexa? AFK? Yeah. Just screenshot AFK, people. It's a way of life. Okay, we're farming 8k morale. Questions? No questions. Okay. Kuru, kaka! Ang hirap naman ng all map. Galaw ng galaw. Lilitan ko na nga lang. Peka yung battle chant ko. Okay, keep farming. Somewhat, Yamin is winning. Keep farming. Do what you want without dying. Okay. Just do what you want without dying. Saya pupush ako sa dalawang...
Dito ko sa likod.
Sige. I will be pushing them pillars. If you wanna push with me, so be it. If not, it's fine as well. Again, just do what you want. We just need 2k more. Less 300. 2k more morale, less 300. It's 700 versus 1000 HP. Ay, nakuha nila yung ano. OB, no? Laki nung niliit ng HP. O, mali ako.
Tuwan yung kalaban.
Kalaban, no? Binibigay talaga, no? Okay. Do what you want, people. Do you define any chunky groups? No. It's like tinga-tinga lang. Walang makapal, no? Okay. Yeah, Physic is always AFK lang. Baka nasa subway din. Wala, Easy Wayne. Easy Wayne.
Fake OCs pala to.
Yung mga kids nila. Yung main nila nasa pinakataas ng ano yan, picking. Pickering king. Oh, tumatakbo to.
George!
Pagbigyan niya, habulin.
Marami.
Wazak.
Ala.
Try not to die. Ooh, I died. Dang, I got one death. Shameful.
Dang.
Shame. Try to resurrect. Oh, that's kalaban pala. 400 more HP. Enemy side. I'm just sitting inside or in front. Oh, they're coming. Oh, look at that. Go, people. Show me what you got. Mas masaya talagang kalaban yung nakaraan kaysa dito. Di rin ako nabasagan. Oh, di ba? Pagka sabi kong di ako nabasagan, basag agad. Galing. What a liar.
Like,
Yeah. Nope, nothing is happening. Hindi na ako magpa-farm, ah. Kaya nabala sa trip yung score. Upo lang ako dito. Ito mo si Deadly.
yeah, okay.
May SG sa harap eh.
You need SD.
What's up eh? Last 194. Cruel achieved 20 kills. Namatay si Ace.
Nasa spawn na kami.
Retard alert. Inbull yan mga anjing.
Nakita ko kasi Doc andun eh.
Ako eh.
No.
Kita. Doc, kasama mo si Chick. May buntot ka.
No.
Hindi mo gawa na yung ano ko. Dispel. 77. We're almost done. There's a new bidding system, my friends. Read the bidding system. Something. If you wanna bid, know the mechanics. You don't need to log out anymore, people. Boom. These are top 8 kids. Nice one.